Here we are back in the Benjerong kitchens, ready to prepare for you gai hoor bai tơi, or marinated chicken in pandanus leaves. Pandanus leaves are used widely in Thai cooking, usually for desserts where the younger leaves are used. Here we'll be using the older leaves. The ingredients for the chicken and the marinade are breast of chicken, our fresh pandanus leaves, coriander root, garlic, white pepper, chili sauce, sesame oil, soya sauce, cream, oyster sauce, sugar, and lastly flour. Ingredients for the sauce are soybean sauce, sugar, white sesame seeds which we've toasted and lightly crushed, salt, vinegar, sesame oil, and a tomato sauce. Our first step will be to prepare the chicken. So we take the chicken breast and we're going to cut them into about 3 to 4 pieces, about 40 grams each. There we just cut them lengthways so they look like this. Our first step for the marinade is going to be to blend the garlic, the pepper and the coriander root. Put the garlic, the white pepper and the coriander root into our blender. We're just going to add a cup of water the lid on and blend. Now our blended coriander root and garlic's ready, we can transfer to our mixing bowl. Next we can add our soy sauce, sesame oil, chili sauce, the oyster sauce, our cream, and the sugar. We're going to mix that well together. All the ingredients are well mixed together, like that. And lastly, we're going to add the flour. And continue mixing. And there we are, the marinade is ready. Now the marinade is ready to add the chicken. We place all the chicken in and we're just going to gently squeeze the marinade into the chicken. Make sure all the chicken's covered, and we're going to leave that for about 2 hours to marinate. Now that our chicken has been marinating for 2 hours, we're ready to wrap with the pandanus leaf. First thing is to fold the base of the pandanus leaf to form a small cup. Next, we're going to add our chicken and we're going to wrap tightly, folding it from side to side, forming a pyramid shape. Once we get to the end, we're just going to take a cocktail stick and seal it together. And then we have the chicken in pandanus leaf ready for frying. Now we're ready to prepare the sauce. First we're going to start with the black soybean sauce. Next the sugar. Next the sesame seeds. Next the salt and the vinegar, sesame oil, and lastly the tomato sauce. And we're going to mix all those together. We're just going to gently bring that to the boil. And there we are, the sauce is ready. Here we are at the stove, our oil is hot and we're ready to fry the chicken. We're going to keep them cooking for about 5 minutes. And there we are. Chicken is ready, we can lift them out and drain them. Now that our chicken is cooked, we can remove the cocktail stick. And we're just going to trim a little bit of the pandanus leaf off, cut that with a pair of scissors. And the chicken's ready for presenting. There we are, gai hoor bai thơi, a marinated chicken wrapped in pandanus leaves.